everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Shein account with Facebook. Now to do that, open the Shein application of yours. Once you're at the home page, you go to the me on the bottom right, tap on me. Now there on this page, you go and tap on sign in/register. Tap that. Here you are at the home page where you need to tap on continue with Facebook for you to log in your Shein account with Facebook. Tap on continue with Facebook. Now once you do that, you will be at this page. So basically, if you have a Facebook on your phone device and you are already logged in into your Facebook with your account profile, you will be able to see this directly. But if you do not have the option, you need to go through the login process over here. As I already have my Facebook account and I already logged in into my Facebook, I can directly log in or connect my Shein to Facebook very easily just by tapping on continue as clear. That is my Facebook profile. But if I did not have the application signed in, I should be going through the signing process over here, like you provide your Facebook account credential, your Facebook ID and then password. With that, you will be able to connect your Shein through Facebook. So just tap on continue as clear if that's the Facebook profile that you want to log into the Shein. Now type in the email address, then tap on continue, confirm, registration successful. Now tap on go shopping. With that, you have created yourself a new account or created your account through the Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.